So let's ride my dirt bike again. Let's get out of here. So I can't put the audio in this. The audio where you can hear everything. For some reason it won't, the camera didn't want to do it. So this time I'll actually ride on the road. Since it's not early in the morning, then I won't wake much people up. I stalled out. So let's try. I think I went fast on this road. Not that fast yet, anyways. I try to go fast as I can, but there's too many places where you have to look if there's cars coming, or you have to stop and turn. Because there's a jackass guy that yells at me if I ride past his house. And you heard the video before. Right now I'm at the clubhouse. Actually, we had to wait for the computer to turn on and that crap, and it took like 20 minutes. So I just ordered more, changed helmets because I didn't need my dad's helmet then. So yeah. Let's turn over here. And that's why I was trying to switch gears. I didn't want my tire to just lock up. Because if I'm going too fast still, my tire lock up, and I hate that because I don't want to burn out my tire fast. So I should be in second gear right now, and right here. Oh, I also went slow on this road because I have my phone in my pocket, and I can tell it's halfway out. Luckily, every time when I get out of here, right turn here, I put my phone back in my pocket so it don't fall out. So, I think I'm going to turn down here, yep. I always go slow on this road because there's lots of kids on this road. That's why I go slow on, well, that straight road before I turn for the clubhouse. I'll just tell you what I mean in a few seconds. On this road, I was looking at this a second ago, I go slow on that one because there's lots of people there and some kids, and I don't want the old people to call the law on me because I'm going too fast, because the speed limit is only like 20 miles, and here I am going like 40 miles per hour on the road. I don't want to go any faster than that, guys. I'd be scared. Oh, by the way, I have a Facebook for my YouTube. Oh, there's a guy up there. I have to pull over. Anyways, I had a Facebook for my YouTube. And, basically, I was using it for something else. I won't tell you why. But, it's the name of this YouTube. But, this one This Facebook will only be for my YouTube stuff, and I'm probably not gonna be on it that much. So if I'm on it, I'll at least be on it. Let's see, Saturday, Friday, and Wednesday. I'll at least be on those days. Making sure there's no water because it started sprinkling a little bit. Uh-oh, it hurts there sometimes. Matters how fast you're going to go. Sometimes I just get in that pothole and just hit the gas for it and see what happened. I'm turning around here, yep. Anyways, yeah, so just, if you want to go to my Facebook, YouTube account thing, just type in KEIHIN space DUFF, that's my YouTube Facebook thing. And I'm not gonna tell you what my real Facebook is. Some of you already know, but I'm not gonna just let all out, so I guess, thanks for watching. I'll shut this thing off in a few seconds, so I'll probably stop here, and, I guess that's it, folks. Bye.